thought those were maybe, what you call those? They're a bird. Oh, listen to that one. What type of bird am I thinking of? Not a seagull, not a swan. Fart. Anyways, I think they ended up being geese. I thought they were something else, but they were circling right over our yard, a whole bunch of them. That's very cool. Sing for me, bird. He's up there somewhere. Oh, he's over here now. Oh. There's just so much life out here today. Anyways, what am I doing out here today? We're not crafting. Not yet. We are going to, excuse my husband's mess. Look at this old tub I got. Isn't it amazing? So my plan, yes, my husband's welding. That's a whole story. I'll tell you about that. Hang on. My plan is to fill this tub up with some dead wood from the forest and some cardboard and then some dirt. And I'm going to plant zinnias in it, I think. It's my plan at this particular second. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, I love that bird. I don't know what it is. But... oh, there's so much noise out here today. Yeah, I see you, Penny. So look at all the deadwood out there. I'm just going to go in there, forage a bit, carry out some deadwood. Be right back. It's been a couple hours. I've been plugging away. Got my tub pretty full. And this is all dead wood, so it's going to break down, decompose, sink. You know, it might take years, but it's okay because I'm going to cover it with some cardboard and then fill it with some dirt. And that way I'm not putting a whole ton of dirt in this tub because that would be expensive. So I'm just filling it up with compostable materials that'll break down, and you know, eventually it'll all become dirt too. Then here I started making a little pile of, you know, twigs that look good to me. Like they have the bark off of them. Some are straighter than others, but I don't know what I'm going to do with those. I'm thinking maybe I could make like a pergola type structure or some garden trellis type things. So I was thinking of trying that. And then I'll just walk you over here. As I was working in my woods a little bit, I started to build a dead hedge. And of course that's all going to break down too, but it just is going to kind of border my you know, up to the area where my husband can mow. He will not mow beyond that point because that's really bush. And then I started to see a pathway forming. So as I walk through here, through my woods, I'm building up more fence along here and along here just to outline my path. And isn't that nice, the sun coming through the forest? Oh, Penny, I can hear you complaining the whole time. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep going with that. I just need to have a drink. And yeah, it's been a couple hours, but I feel like I'm making some progress. And my dream someday is to have walking paths all through my forest. So far, we got a good start. Well, we made it to the squirrel house. I'm calling this the squirrel house because you can see there is a nice little condo in there somewhere. And then there's more little holes, little entrances all over the place. I accidentally threw this log here. I should move that out of their way. That's not nice. Cover their house up. Anyways, I made a little bit of progress. Not over there, not over there, not over there, but right here. You can see I've been building up my little pathway. Kind of branches off over there. And then these trees, I guess, I was sort of thinking this one would stay in the middle, I guess, until my husband can come chop it down. It makes a little archway right now. And I got stumped, stumped right here, because that tangled mess I can't do by hand. I tried, and I need a chainsaw. So, well, that's good enough for today. I think it's turning out pretty cool. Lots of work. How many hours was I out there? 5 or 6 probably. And I got well over my 10,000 steps. So that's cool. And yeah, it's just tidied up things a little bit. I'll give you another view from this way. See? Looks good, right? Okay, I'm pooped though. I'm gonna go have a coffee. It's coffee time. So thanks for joining me today outside. It's been a beautiful day. And still got my little pile of sticks. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do yet. But if I think of something, I will definitely bring you along and show you what we make. And the tub's full. Yeah, good day of physical labor. So, okay, friends, I'll say bye for now, and I'll see you at the next video. Take care.